Welcome to my first travel vlog, and today I'm taking you all to a place which is just 3 hours away from Mumbai and very much close to Pune as well. So this place is called Grape County and it is a eco resort, and let me take you all to my room. This is my room, a very spacious balcony and greenery all around. This is my bathroom. It's pretty spacious and a bathtub with amazing view. Just look at this view. Wow! And this is my balcony. It is pretty big. So it's our first day and we are heading for boating. So the little one has seen boat for the first time in real, and we have Gauri from the resort who's helping us with all the activities. So this is an artificial lake which is created by the resort. You can do kayaking and boating. Today I'm gonna do boating, and the little one clearly enjoyed a lot with ducks passing by while we were boating. And then we ended our day with some sightseeing in the resort, just a property tour, and we thought of heading to our room and have some nice cozy bath session in a bathtub. Good morning guys, this is day 2 and we have a lot of activities lined up today. So we started our day with breakfast, and look at the view from the restaurant. It's so amazing, isn't it? He had amazing time having breakfast. It is a good breakfast, good service and very good hygiene. So now we are heading for horse riding. So they have in-house stable, and there are a lot of horses, and he's gonna meet horses for the first time. He's always seen in books. So now it's my mom's turn for horse riding. All of these activities are in the resort itself. She clearly had a ball of a time. Now we are heading for bird watching tower. So there's a tower from where you can see a lot of birds. And we have Gauri again to help us. I must say guys, the hospitality was really good. It was very easy for me to take care of my mom and a toddler because of the hotel staff. They are really cooperative. So this is the view from the bird watching tower, and look at this guys, spectacular. Just love the view. We couldn't spot birds because we were pretty late, but we enjoyed the view. And this entire patch is their property. And then we came to our room. He was revising the horse which he saw in the book and which we saw on the stable. And then we had some bathtub session again on baby's demand with the view. And now we are back here again to our lake, and today we'll be doing kayaking, and my mom is going to do kayaking today while I enjoy with my baby. So can you spot my mom here? She's sitting on the front seat. She learned how to row the boat. It was a fun time for her. And then we had some cycling session with Gauri again. And then my baby also joined Nani because he wanted to ride the cycle, but like this and not by sitting on it. And then we had some park time. We enjoyed in the park. And Nani, being Nani, enjoyed here in the park as well. And then we wrapped up the day with some sumptuous dinner. Good morning, guys. So today we are checking out, and Nani and baby are back with their activities. They have a rickshaw and they have cycles here in the restaurant so that the kids can play and parents can enjoy their meals peacefully. I'm gonna miss this view for sure. Now we are heading for boating once again before we check out because baby wanted to do boating. He was pretty disappointed when Nani was doing kayaking and he couldn't do anything yesterday. It was indeed a great experience at this resort. We had so many activities which were in house, which was so good during COVID. They have boating, horse riding, bird watching, garden, so many activities to offer, and so safe. And all of these activities are included in the package. So you don't need to pay anything extra for this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed visiting this place. Till then, see ya. And lastly, you guys can get some good discount on my reference while booking. So do check it out.